In a group of 6, we created an interactive animation based on a given style, which was the Blue Note style. We brainstormed a lot and decided that the best model for the animation would be the old-school Disney productions, more precisely the Steamboat Willie episode. Working on the assignment was all about using the skills we developed during the last few months. Deciding on the target group, doing a proper research, preparing for the personas collage, the storyboard, creating the character, and the most challenging part, coding. We worked together as a team, helping each other and doing our best to get to the outcome we wanted.
We divided the responsibilities to work efficiently, yet consulted every element and gave each other feedback. We've chosen 3 of us who were responsible mostly for coding: Thomas, Victor, and second Thomas. They also helped with the backgrounds and sprite sheets. Paula, Peter, and Alex were responsible for other various tasks such as storyboard, sounds, and personas collage, UX, peer review, and sprite sheets.
The most important thing we decided on was the group strategy, which is that we work together and try to make sure that everybody knows the process of the other group members and understand it. Thanks to this rule, all the designers know the code and all the coders know the design.
The design of Blue Note covers Scream modernism in a way that few can compete against, often treating the typography as visual elements that can be broken apart, stacked upon one another in a playful way, blown up or shrunk down and brought together with the photography. The layouts are often evasively perfect, as they look as if they lay any of them out even slightly differently would be lay them out wrong.
Doing the personas collage was deciding on our target group, defining it, getting to know what they eat, where they live, what they do, what they wear. In the center of the collage we find the representative of the target, a young person aged between 19 and 23. On her left we find a photo of her dorm room. So she's a student, living on her own, away from her parents, eating cheap fast food because she's too lazy to cook. She likes drinking coffee, listening to good music, and taking pictures. She loves art. Her favorite artist is Frida Kahlo. She also loves cinematography and watches a lot of classics, yet appreciates present-day creators, especially Xavier Dolan. When she was a kid, she used to watch Disney movies all the time.
In the storyboard, we encapsulated the most important scenes and described them precisely. We pointed out the sounds, the movement, the duration, the shots, and the interactive elements. We used different colors to mark particular elements. We also made the first sketches of the backgrounds and the character.
We created the backgrounds and the character basing on one of the episodes of Mickey Mouse cartoon. We recreated the backgrounds and added our styling to them. We kept the color palette simple, dual tone, sticking to the Blue Note style. While creating the character we were inspired by Mickey Mouse itself, yet having done the research on Blue Note artworks, we styled the original Mickey to be more Blue Note-y. We slimed him, lengthened his body, and added typography. This is our sequence diagram, which can be very helpful to understand all the interactions in our story and to clearly point out the objects are clickable.
We chose 2 our classmates to participate in our expert test. Audrey was from a group of Russian constructivism style, and Eva was from a group of college. We invited them together to one of the desks, and at first we showed them our detailed storyboard. Secondly, we showed them 2 animated sites, which we had half done by that time, and let them interact as well as look for Easter eggs. Then we asked some questions to make our peer review and to get to know what should we correct.
The expert test led us to information that we should consider making it easier to distinguish which objects are clickable and which are not. It also showed us that we had some very good ideas how to surprise the user with some unexpected yet cool interactions. Overall, we received mostly positive opinions, and experts who participated in the test haven't found any serious flaws.
For the future changes, we would work on making the story more dynamic and complex. We would add more characters and create 2 different endings of the story for the user to choose between.